Hello! In this video, we're going to talk about how to do SEO for Instagram Reels. And before we start, please give this video a like and share it so it could reach more people. And let's get started. Instagram Reels is a feature on Instagram that allows users to create and share 15 to 90 seconds video clips to set to music or other audio. Reels can be created using existing video content or by recording new footage directly in the app. They can be edited with a variety of creative tools, including filters, effects, and text overlays. Reels can be shared on other users' profile and in the Reels section on Instagram, where they can be discovered by a wider audience. Reels has become a popular way for businesses to showcase their products and services, and it's an excellent tool for driving traffic to your profile and website. So, why should you optimize your Instagram Reels for SEO? There are several reasons why you should optimize your Instagram Reels for SEO. 1. To improve visibility. Optimizing your Reels for SEO can help improve their visibility in the search results, making it more likely that people will discover your content. 2. To attract new followers. By ranking well in the search results, your Reels can attract new followers who may not have discovered your content otherwise. 3. To increase engagement. The more visibility your Reels have, the more likely they are to get engagement in the form of likes, comments, and shares. This can help improve your ranking even further and drive even more traffic to your profile. And lastly, to boost brand awareness. SEO is an excellent way to increase brand awareness and reach a larger audience. By optimizing your Reels for SEO, you can expose your brand to a wider audience and increase the likelihood that people will remember it. Overall, optimizing your Instagram Reels for SEO is an effective way to improve the visibility of your content, attract new followers, increase engagement, and boost brand awareness. By following best practices for SEO, you can improve the ranking of your Reels and reach a larger audience on Instagram. Next, let's talk about optimizing your Instagram Reels for SEO. Reels has quickly become a popular way for businesses to showcase their products and services, and it's an excellent tool for driving traffic to your profile and website. But just like any other content on social media, Reels need to be optimized for search engines to ensure that they rank well in the search results and get the maximum visibility. Here are a few tips on how to optimize your Reels for SEO. Number 1. Use relevant descriptive hashtags. Hashtags are one of the main ways people discover content on Instagram, so be sure to include relevant hashtags in your Reels. Choose hashtags that are relevant to your business or industry, and consider using branded hashtags as well. 2. Include a clear, concise caption. In addition to using hashtags, your caption is also an important factor in how your Reel ranks in the search results. Make sure to include clear, concise description of what your Reel is about. Use keywords that are relevant to your business or industry, and try to keep your caption under 200 characters to ensure that it's easy to read and understand. 3. Engage with your audience. The more engagement your Reels get, the more likely they are to be shown in the search results. So be sure to respond to comments and interact with your followers to encourage them to engage with your content. Number 4. Use relevant keywords in your profile and bio. Your profile and bio are also important for SEO, so be sure to include relevant keywords that describe your business or brand. This will help search engines understand what your account is about and make it easier for people to find you. And lastly, number 5. Collaborate with other accounts. Collaborating with other accounts and featuring them in your Reels can help expose your content to a larger audience and improve your visibility in the search results. Look for accounts that have a similar target audience and consider reaching out to see if they're interested in collaborating. In conclusion, optimizing your Instagram Reels is essential if you want to increase the visibility of your content and drive traffic to your profile. By using relevant hashtags, including a clear, concise caption, engaging with your audience, and using relevant keywords in your profile and bio, and collaborating with other accounts, you can improve the ranking of your Reels and reach a larger audience on Instagram. By following best practices for SEO, you can ensure that your reels are more likely to be discovered in the search results and attract new followers. This can lead to increased engagement with your content, which can, in turn, boost your brand awareness and drive even more traffic to your profile. In short, optimizing your Instagram Reels for SEO is a key strategy for success on the platform. And there you have it, how to do SEO for Instagram Reels. I hope you find this video helpful, and if it did, please subscribe to our channel and click on the notification bell so you'll be updated on our daily videos. And before this video ends,
did you know that you can turn every prospect into a client using a hyper-personalization on Facebook, LinkedIn, emails, and landing pages? Get 3 times more replies, 325% more conversions, and more sales from every message you send by using SalesPix by Technic Force, a multi-platform hyper-personalization. Bring home new clients every day. SalesPix is the most powerful personalization suite. It supports multiple campaigns. You can customize unlimited landing pages, create unlimited image variations, send unlimited emails, and has ever-growing public template library and free credits every month. So try SalesPix now. Just go to gosalesPix.in. And that is it for today's video. Thank you for watching and see you on the next one.